Na itong next phone na meron natin is all-angle water resistant. Sa sobrang water resistant nito, probably the other tech reviewer makakalimutan nila i-focus on the other things that are good dito sa phone nito. Other than just water resistant, there are a lot of other things na okay dito sa phone nito, which pag-uusapan natin after this quick intro. Now, this is the box ng Honor X7D. So, very simple lang siya. Makita mo yung color na pinili mo nandito sa labas. And by the way, itong hawak natin color is Desert Gold. So, buksan muna natin. So, as usual, pag bago, masikip. Masikip nga. So, labas muna natin ng phone. We have a smaller pouch. Andiyan ka ng XCM ejector pin. Meron tayong quick start guide, jelly case na clear. Malambot. A 35 watts at fast charging brick and a A to C cable. Buksan natin ng phone. Yeah. Desert Gold. This looks very nice. And gustong-gusto ko ng camera bump dito. Looks pretty solid. And by the way, the Honor X7D na may 8 gigs of RAM and 256GB of storage will be priced at $8,999. And yung kanyang higher variant na 8512 will be priced at $9,999. Pero if I were you, para sa additional 1,000 pesos for a additional na 256GB of storage, mas sulit yung 512. Kung gusto naman lamang kung saan pwede bumili, link on the description or just simply click the shopping link na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen. Lahat ng pinopost ko are official links. Iwas na lang tayo sa scam, so wag na kayo paligoy-ligoy pa. Pagdating sa design, I love yung kanyang simplicity. Na flat likod niya, matte finish, and yung kanyang camera module, isang buo. Wala siyang individual ring na nakaumbok, which I think looks really nice for this price point. Sa ibabaw, meron pa siyang IR, tignan na guys. And on the side, meron siyang AI button, which pag pinindot mo, ang dami ng menu na pwedeng lilitaw. No? All the shortcuts, pwede ka pa-modify na sarili mo. One of the best usage for me is yung kanyang turn on flashlight. Ganito. Tapos pag ayaw mo na, i-off mo lang. Off na siya. Very useful siya para sa akin. Pag tinignan mo naman kanyang bezel, hindi naman siya sobrang nipis and medyo mas makapal ang kanyang baba. Pero kanyang punch hole, hindi naman siya malaki. Overall design factor, 8 out of 10 para sa akin. And kung gusto niyo malaman ng full complete specs ito phone na ito na, para sa inyo. Now, sa pinaka-highlight ng selling point nitong phone na ito is yung kanyang upgraded na water resistance. This is definitely better than the Honor X7C and this time around IP65M na siya. Plus, meron pa siya SGS 5-star certificate. And nung hinugas ko naman tong phone na ito using yung gripo and tubig, okay naman siya. Nag-survive naman siya. Binasa ko naman siya for 10 to 20 seconds. Walang problema. So, meaning, pag umulan ng malakas, tumatakbo ka using this phone, walang problema. And sabi ni Honor, pag nahulog to sa tubig, within 3 minutes pulutin mo, this phone should survive. And sometimes, accident does happen kasi habang nahugas ka ng pinggan, biglang hawak mo phone mo, biglang may tubago, nanood ka ng telenovela, and nahulog sa tubig na yung lababo, pulutin nyo lang agad, this one should survive. But remember, water damage and physical damage voids warranty. Just a quick word of reminder. Now, in terms of day-to-day usage to phone na ito, multitasking, wala kang maging problema nito. Malaki naman kanyang RAM. And in terms of editing mga videos sa mga medyo magaan, wala kang maging problema dito sa mga CapCut. Kami next, alam niyo na anong sasabihin ko. This is being powered by the Snapdragon 685. And oh my God, alam mo na yung performance ng 685. Medyo Jurassic na chip na to. I'm not sure kung bakit ginagamit pa ni Honor to. Oversupply or what? Pero I know it's very optimized, very reliable, pero 685 is quite cheap of the yesteryear na sobra. Pero surprising na pag 500,000 points pa sa Antutu benchmark version 11. And here are the other benchmark kung gusto niyo makita. Now, another upgrade is yung kanyang battery, 6,500 mAh and of course supporting up to 35 watts of fast charging. Now, charging this phone, hindi naman siya matagal. Siguro in less than an hour and a half tapos ka na kasi malaki ang kanyang battery capacity. Now, mind you, itong phone na ito can last you almost 3 days. Nung ginagamit ko to, halos 3 araw ko hindi charge ng phone na ito. Kayang-kaya niya i-survive. As long as hindi ka naman babad sa gaming, hindi ka babad sa watching videos, and just your normal average daily usage, 3 days guys, walang problema. And to back up further sinasabi ko, ito guys, 20 hours and 7 minutes sa kanyang screen on time na nakuha ko. Now, kamusta naman kanyang screen? Medyo malaki naman kanyang screen at 6.77-inch na TFT LCD. Though, one thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is meron siyang 120Hz screen refresh rate, hindi ka tinipid ni Honor dito sa phone na ito. And since meron siyang SGS 5-star na certificate, so meron din siyang certain level of drop resistance. And of course, scratch resistance. Kung nanonood ka naman ng mga shorts dito and videos, don't expect too much kasi this one can only display up to 720p. Pero if you're browsing through social media, smooth naman ang aking browsing experience, basta maganda yung internet connection, you shouldn't be having any any problem with it. Nakunood ko ng mga videos dito, okay din naman siya. Just don't expect na mag-perform siya like mga AMOLED display. But I would say it's a decent viewing experience dito sa Honor X7D. That's a guarantee. Now, before we move on, masasabi ko sa inyo, smooth naman ang experience ko dito sa Magic OS 9 inside Android version 15. And mind you, this one got an upgrade din kasi meron siyang 512 gigs of storage, which previously sa X7C, kasi sa previously on the X7C, it only has a maximum 256. 512 na to. So, store all you can, guys. Now, one good thing din dito sa kanya, meron siyang stereo speaker. Meron siyang butas dito sa ilalim, and the other one coming dito sa kanyang earpiece. Let's check it out. Now, one of the reasons kung bakit medyo malakas ang kanyang loudspeaker is that this one can reach up to 400 ng kanyang maximum volume. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. And for me, quite good ang kanyang sounds. Malakas, more than I expected. So, naglaro din naman ako ng dalawang games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Honor of Kings. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, okay naman kanyang experience. Though, I wouldn't say it's one of the best experience na nakuha ko on this price point. Pero I would say na it's playable. You can set to high frame rates and low graphical settings and it can get you going. Smooth naman siya. Wala naman ako na-feel na frame drops dito. As far as I'm concerned, playing for 1 hour, maganda naman kanyang touch response, kanyang sounds okay, not the best. It can give you definitely a decent gaming experience sa Call of Duty Mobile. Umabot ako ng 39 degrees Celsius after an hour. Pagdating sa Honor of Kings, equally said, okay din naman Honor of Kings dito sa kanya. It was able to give me a good gaming experience. One thing na napansin ko is hindi nagte-teleport ng mga kalaban ko habang nagbabattle kami. And another good thing dito sa kanya is quite smooth din ang gameplay ko dito sa kanya. I also played 1 hour dito sa kanya and umabot lang ako just 41 degrees Celsius. Now, pagdating sa camera, this one has a 108MP na rear camera sensor with a 2MP na depth sensor. Ang kanyang harap is 8MP, which both cameras can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps, which is the limitation ng Snapdragon 685. Now guys, sinan natin some shots na nakuha natin from the Honor X7D. Now, taking a look at some of the outdoor shots na nakuha ko, okay na naman. Medyo natural ang kanyang color attack pagdating sa green. Though there are times na medyo hirap siya mag-focus ng konti. Pero kung tinuldok mo naman siya out to the focal point, medyo mabilis naman siya mag-focus. Kita natin some of these flowers, pag tinignan mo, out of focus siya kasi hindi siya napag-focus na maayos. But on some flowers like this na tinuldok ko naman siya, makita na, ganda naman ang kanyang pagka-focus and the photos are quite sharp. Pero pag tinignan mo naman mga color pink, mga ibang colors like this one, medyo natural naman kanyang look. Looks quite nice naman for me. Kahit itong simple rosebud shot na ito, is not so bad din at all. Now, if you're just simply walking around, panning around sa vicinity, you'll be able to get some nice snaps naman. Except that siguro masasabi ko, medyo a little bit overexposed siya. Medyo mas puti ang datingan niya. And pag kumukuha ka naman mga tall building shot, it looks good naman. Now, ginamit ko naman kanina zooming capability. This is normal. And zooming all the way to 3 times, yung kanyang 2 times, and yung kanyang 3 times, iba-ibang color. Mapapansin mo sa color ng sky. Equally said din dito, normal shot all the way to 3 times zoom shot. Mas gusto ko pa yung color ng 3 times kaysa sa 2 and 1. Makita mo itong banner na ito, still looking very clear. Now, kung pumasok ka naman sa mga indoor low light, makakuha ka rin naman some good shots na like itong mga to. I was expecting it would have some color spill, pero wala naman. Okay naman siya, no? Kita natin sa mga indoor na low light. And pag kumuha ka naman mga subject shot, it looks good, no? Except that siguro yung kanyang color kulang ng kunting saturation. Hindi siya ganun ka-punchy. Pero overall, not so bad ng performance ng kanyang camera. Could have been better, maybe mako-correct na kunti sa kanya firmware update, but definitely this is what you'll be getting if you buy it out of the box right now. Food photography, okay din naman siya, not bad pag tinignan mo siya. Makita mo mga details from the oil na pirito. Kahit itong shot na ito, very simple, very low light, pero maganda naman siya. Now, pag chinek mo naman ka na selfie camera, okay naman siya, front-facing camera, not bad. And yeah, makita mo, smoothen out yung mukha mo. Talagang makinis, no? And here are some other outdoor shot na nakuha natin. Talagang okay naman siya. Pero pagdating naman sa low light, mapapansin nyo, magiging softer ang iyong mukha. Yung mga details mawawala na sa inyong mukha. That's for sure. Check na natin yung video performance ng kanyang front-facing camera. Ito naman performance ng Honor X7D if you're using the front-facing camera for vlogging. 1080p and 30fps, shaky, and a little bit grainy, pansin ko. And check naman natin performance ng kanyang rear camera pagdating sa video. Kasi itong performance ng Honor X7D na rear camera, and I'm shooting at 1080p and 30fps, and wala akong hawak na gimbal, no? So it's a bit shaky, expected, pero yung quality is okay, not so bad. Ano masasabi nyo, guys? Now guys, sabi ko sa inyo, this phone is more than just all-angle water resistance. More than just splash resistance. masasabi ko sa inyo na this one can give you a good mid-gaming experience. Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends, Honor of Kings, PUBG, walang problema dito sa phone na ito. E pagdating naman sa camera, it can give you a average camera experience. One thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is magandang hawak ko dito sa camera. And another thing is very useful tong AI button niya. Plus, makunat ang kanyang battery, si Honor X7D. Na kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan niyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll pop it on the description box below para makita ninyo. And also feel free to watch yung aking previous video na review sa Honor X7C para makita ninyo yung difference nilang dalawa. Now, if you know anyone na naghanap ng phone at this budget price point, pwede niyo share itong videos kanila. And of course, ina-encourage ko kayo to like, subscribe sa aking channel para hindi nyo ma-miss out mga videos just like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.